everyone! Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to do the song from the movie Billy Elliot. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there will be a demonstration shortly. So, first let's start with the left hand. In your left hand, the notes are F, C, F again, G, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. And then it repeats. The second part of the left hand is that's a C dominant 7 chord. So C, E, G, B flat, and then walk down. C, B flat, A flat, G, then back to F. While this is happening, your right hand does the melody. So first it goes from C to A flat, goes down to G, G, B, C, again. Except this time it's different, it goes G, G, F, E, F, G, A flat, G. After this, E, C. So from the beginning, now let's try both hands together at a slow speed.